northeast. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado: the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park and Nederland, the Southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen and Boulder in the western suburbs of Denver. High wind warning in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday. West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour possible. Where? The Front Range foothills, Boulder, and the western suburbs of Denver. When? From 8 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. And Evergreen and Boulder in the western suburbs.
This is the National Weather Service office in Boulder. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, the tone alert will be activated to warn of the impending danger. This test of the warning alarm is normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, if severe weather threatens the area near the test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm may vary at any given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, even though you are using a high-quality receiver. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all of north, central, and northeastern Colorado.